Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike. Are you looking for bike fenders tough enough to withstand even the wettest days of the Pacific Northwest? Meet the Cascadia recycled bike fender. This eco-forward fender is made of 100% post-consumer CRS-certified recycled polycarbonate blades. They feature long mud flaps and stainless steel V-stays and hardware for full wrap protection in any weather. Let's take a look. Durable, all-weather 100% post-consumer CRS-certified recycled blades. Stainless steel V-stays and hardware are pre-installed and disc brake compatible. Release tabs on front fender for added safety. The mud flaps are 100 millimeters long to provide extra coverage for your bike, back, and riding companions. Includes all stainless steel hardware to mount to bikes with brazed-on eyelets. Cascadia recycled bike fenders come in two sizes, 700C by 55mm and 27.5 by 60mm. We recommend the maximum tire size is 10mm or 0.4 inches less than the blade size. Please check our max tire size guide before purchase and installation. You can find your bike's tire size by checking the tire sidewall. Before purchasing the Cascadia recycled bike fenders, check to see that your bike has brazed-on eyelets attached to your frame. Eyelets will be located near the hub axle, both on the front fork and rear seat stays. Whether you're commuting to work or on an epic cross-country tour, this clean design looks sharp on any bike and keeps you and your bike clean, protects your components, and provides years of reliability and eco-forward performance that's tough enough for even the Pacific Northwest. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come ride with us.